SunTwin Eden Pure heater. Had a bulb go out. Ordered up 6 new ones. $70 off Amazon. Even though I replaced one of them, the one that was broken, I turned it on, 2-3 seconds, click right off. Do it again, no matter what, everything come on, 2-3 seconds on the board here, and shut off. Took that board off, found these capacitors were swollen. Got one. Got one. Don't make fun of my little solder job here. Those two. This side. Just replace those two capacitors right there. After doing that, power comes on. It would be shutting off by now. And the bulbs are heating up. Everything's going good. We'll probably replace the other bulbs as they go out, but so if anyone else has this problem, all you gotta do is replace those capacitors. They were 1000 UF, 16 volts. I just went to Amazon and bought 240 pieces. Since I didn't have any on hand, it's got about 10 of the capacitors that I needed in it. But always check for the bad capacitors.